What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the M340. Looking a little different, Your boy Kicks got a new cam, so bear with me. I'm still trying to play with the settings and you know, learn this camera all over again. But we should definitely have a better field of view. Should be a little bit more wider, kind of like the GoPro, but not as wide. But it's definitely better than seeing before. It was pretty much just like this. That's exactly like how the camera looked before. But now we like this, and we don't have that annoying ass noise anymore. Remember? That shit was like so still trying to mess with the settings. It's a little bright on the outside, but just gotta play with the exposure and shit. But yeah, man, hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, man. Can't complain. Another day, another blessing. Unfortunately, we're about to hop in the S15. It's still 90 degrees outside, so this shit's about to suck. Look at that, look at that. Got some wide angle in this joint now. What's on the feet? What's on the feet? Okay, pulled out the cool grays today. How you been? Yeah, get a good look at the S2K. She is going off for wrap tomorrow. Super excited for the new color. Yo, I don't know why, but so many people think that I'm doing it yellow. Why? What hint did I give you guys that I was ever wrapping any car yellow? Yeah, if y'all know me, y'all know that I don't do yellow, bro. That's not my color. I wouldn't even want to buy a yellow car, even if I'm gonna wrap it, just because like any little imperfection, you're gonna see yellow under the wrap. That's just disgusting. So yeah, it's definitely not gonna be yellow, guys. So I don't know where you guys got that from. I ain't gonna hold you. This camera is a lot heavier than my other one. Sheesh. Damn, hands hurting already. I have to get used to this. I have to hold this bitch with two hands, low key. We have a shoot going down today. I really don't know the full details. I think we're just doing like some kind of reenactment of like a movie or something. Basically, this is gonna be a scene, I'm assuming, of like a bunch of modified cars, and we're doing like a fake street race. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick, check all the fluids, make sure it's good. We are taking this thing all the way to LA, unfortunately, so it's gonna be about an hour drive of nothing but just straight heat. Sun is still out, so it's gonna be beaming. So I just wanna make sure everything is tip top, no leaks, everything's good still. And yeah, we're gonna bust this journey. Hopefully it's a good day. It should be a little more stable too, because this lens that I'm using has like built-in stabilization, because most of the Sony cams don't really have good stabilization. I love it. Gotta pump the good stuff. Whew. Can't lie, man, it's hot. Alright guys, time to skedaddle up out of here. Got a Gatorade. Hey, if y'all ain't tried this green apple, that shit smacks. Alright guys, yeah, it's fucking hot. I spotted fresh kicks. Goddamn belly button sweaty, my back is wet, but I know this bitch look good rolling though. Another successful trip. I'm in the S15. Beautiful, dirty ass LA. Hey, you know what's funny? Every time I watch like a TV show or a movie, they be making LA seem so freaking nice, bro. Like they pick all the nicest drone shots. Man, they don't be showing you half of the shit. LA is really trash, bro. Like, yeah, the beaches is nice and shit, but like LA is trash. Nothing but like homeless people, like every block, every corner. It ain't it, bro. LA is not what people think it is. We just made it here to the location. Got my boy Chris's Hellcat over here, putting all the decals on it. So I believe the same decals are probably going on the 15. Yeah, it's like a promo video for this brand, so should be pretty cool. I'm loving how the camera looks though. Check this out. It's just a truck, right? It's a regular old Chevy, nothing big. Gets a lot more interesting though when we get over here. Oh, what's going on in here? Bro, imagine this thing being fully done, painted, running. That would be sick. This thing would be crazy. Beans? Oh shit, it's gonna be in the video too? Got an Evo, A36. Oh shit. An A90. Check this out. Talk about a rig. Got some crazy shit going down, man. Filming a real movie out here. Getting set up right now. I didn't want to go too high on the ISO. This thing's so clean. This wing is hard. Okay, got the panty dropper. Alright guys, it is finally time to start filming. Crazy, man. The scene looked hella tight. I wish I could show you guys what it looks like on their screen. Alright, so we're doing the scene where Toretto pulls up. My opponent, it's already 11. I think we still have like 4 scenes to knock out. Oh shit, bro, I'm tired. Bro, they got this camera up there. Oh, you can't see it. But there's like a $50,000 camera up there just chilling. That's not Fresh Kicks. Got the actors in there. shit's so dope.
You guys just hang out like right behind here.
I don't think you guys can really see that.
You guys are good there. Perfect there. Perfect there.
Like a straight up movie. Alright, so we just did a scene where we both pretty much just like took off. We did a small race, like basically to the light. That's pretty cool. The most fun we had all day. But yeah, man, it's what, like 1:30? Still here shooting. Woof. Long day, man. Even longer day tomorrow, bro.
I'm gonna give you the same cue. 3, 2, 1, and you go, okay? You're gonna get all extras, all lights up, lights in the air, lights up, lights up.
That was pretty cool. You guys got to see that. Shout out to the guy that asked to film it with my camera. Appreciate it. But damn, bro. I thought it was time to go. We still got more filming, bro. Oh, man, dude. This one party. They just mic'd up his car. I guess they're going to drive around, get some audio. Coming back, it's going to do my car. And then, to come back after that, I guess they're setting up the chase car. We're going to be driving around the city. They're going to be chasing us. Like, damn, bro, I'm not gonna get home till like 4 probably. Oh, shit. Fuck. Alright, guys, we are still here. We are shooting the last scene right now. It is 2:53. We got the rig set up. Boy's tired, man. It's been a long ass day. Alright, so basically this scene, they're gonna be in the middle and we're gonna be like flying past them on both sides. Nothing crazy, like just they're gonna be going super slow, so if we're just doing like 40 or 50, it'll probably look fast. Out here making movies, man, at 3 in the freaking morning.
We go for like a 10 to 20 miles an hour all Alright, everyone ready?
Yep.
Ready, action.
God damn. That's that kitty power right there. Meow. Damn. My boy left the lucky 11. I'm delirious. I'm tired, bro. I need to go home. That is a wrap. Finally, the day is over. I was like, wait a minute. Whoa, wait a minute, baby. Don't be acting fugazi on me now. You didn't took a lot of abuse all day. Don't be acting funny.